Oh man, that's a beauty. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. Oh, hey guys, I have the relaunch, the redesign of the brand new Urban Bars right here in my hand. You guys want me to turn around and show you guys? It's beautiful.
I bet you they're ugly.
Bro, why you always gotta hate for it, man? Why you always gotta hate? Why can't you just show some love sometimes?
I'm not hating, I'm just saying, 9 times out of 10, they're ugly. You wanna bet $100? Bet $100. Put 100 on that. Put 100 on that, they're ugly.
Guys, thank you so much for watching. This is the brand new launch of my Urban Bar. And guys, it's a journey to get this. It was a huge journey to get this. Matter of fact, why don't you guys take a look?
Still ugly.
Alright, so the first thing I do want to show you is how I set up when I pour. Alright, so back in the past, I lost a lot of silver. So the way I decided to do it is put a block inside of a container and actually fill it up with water and put the mold on top of it. That's why you see that there. And of course, we have to use my beautiful handy dandy furnace to actually melt the silver down. Now, before we start pouring, what are some things we're gonna need? Me, Mr. Torchy. Look how hot I get. Look at this. yeah, we gonna burn this thing up, right? Put that down now. Me, all right, cool. All right, yeah, I'll just stop. So the next thing we're gonna need is Mr. Clappers right here. You know, we gonna get them silver new urban rounds going, right? All right, we're gonna need my hands. Oh, with gloves. Mr. Gloves to actually keep the hands safe, you know? We're gonna do this thing right now. Let's go. All right, are we done with the charades now? All right, so I've been working on this redesign for a long time. I've been wanting to do this. So the first pour went, to be honest with you, I don't really like that one. So I'm gonna put that in the reject pile. Let's go for another one, all right? Pouring that one, be steady, real steady. And yeah, it looks decent. I mean, I'm not gonna lie, that one looks good. All right, that's Urban Bar number 36. All right, Urban Bar number 36 on its way. It looks good, it looks beautiful. Let's go again. All right, at this part you really got to be real steady. Like if it I don't like that. I might ever have to re-pour that one. What's going on? Hey, I told you to reject power. All right. Let's try this again. Let's keep it going, all right? Real steady, very come on, man. I messed that one up too. Reject, pal. All right, let's try this again. Matter of fact, I might just, let's just remelt those and do that again. All right, so we're starting over. Let's do this right. All right, beautiful. That's Urban Bar number 37. All right, put that there. Let's go again. Let's see, can we go for Urban Bar 38? All right, not bad. Yeah, I'll take that. All right, let's see, 39. How is it gonna go? Let's see. All right, perfect. All right, let's go for 40. Urban Bar number 40. Let's see. Go. Come on. Okay, perfect. All right, that's Urban Bar 41. Let's go again. All right, let's see. No, matter of fact, I think that's Urban Bar. I forgot what number I am, but hey, come on. All right, so I think we have a little bit for one more. Not that much, but to be honest with you, I'm gonna do a giveaway on Sunday on my episode with JT Coinery Silver Talk, and I'm gonna be giving this Urban Bar. It's not fully like, you know, fully made, but hey, I'm gonna do my best to actually give that as a giveaway. All right, it's gonna look okay. All right, so this Sunday, I am going to be going live with JT Coinery on a segment we like to call Silver Talk, and I'll be giving one of these bars away. Well, not one of them, the last one I actually poured. That's what I'm going to be giving away. And I also might be auctioning off. I'm still talking with JT about all that. So after a long day of melting and pouring, this is Urban Bar number 36 all the way up to 31, and also the giveaway that I'm going to be doing this Sunday. All right, guys, that was a lot of work, and not just a lot of work, it was real hot, but we still got to do the redesign of the Urban Bar. Let's go. Right, so underneath this shirt right here is the brand new Urban Bars. Are you guys ready? Somebody please give me a drum roll, please.
I got bored.
All right, guys, I want to introduce to you the very brand new Urban Bars.
Man, those things are ugly. Wait, hold on. Is that me? Oh my God. You put me on there. I'm like one of your biggest haters, and you put me on there. Oh man, this is awesome. Oh man, maybe I like to thank my mom, my dad, oh God, everybody. To be honest with you, man, hey, listen, from the bottom of my heart, man, I'll think about taking it easy on you Nah, I'm still going hard on you, bro.
Oh man, like, to be honest with you, it took so much time. Look at that. I have I finally got my logo on there. I finally got the logo, and this is what I intended in the very first place. This is what I wanted the very first time I actually tried doing this, but I couldn't. But now I finally got a chance to do it. So you guys see here, bar number 36 all the way up to bar number 41, and right here is the one that I'm going to be giving away. Right there, it has GAW for giveaway. That's what that's going to be. So I'm pretty excited about this, guys. I'm pretty excited about this. But let's see the details of the bars itself, starting with 36. So we can see 36. Oh man, this is beautiful. Like, I finally got the logo right on there, and it looks beautiful. All right, it looks way beautiful. So we see here, this is bar 36, so that's how it's gonna be from now on. I'm gonna have the logo right there, 5 stars right there. We have the Urban right there. And on the bottom of that, we see the Roman numerals for 1989, which is the year I was born. I love that year. All right, but let's see the back of this right here. So I'm trying to keep it simple. You guys know I made so like the last bars I had so much information on them, but this one is just gonna be simple. It has 0.999 fine silver, and it tells you how many troy ounces are there. All right, so this particular one, bar number 36, it actually has 1.9 troy ounces. All right, so let's put that back down right there, and let's go to bar number 37. All right, same details in the front, just has the number 37. If we go to the back, we see it's 2.2 troy ounces. All right, if we go to bar number 38 here, we see this one right here has 1.8 troy ounces. Beautiful. All right, so bar number 39, it has 1.6 troy ounces. All right, so bar number 40 has 2.2 troy ounces. Beautiful right there. And also we have the last bar right here is bar 41, and it comes in to you at 1.8 troy ounces. All right, so the last one, like I said, this Sunday I'm going live, guys. This Sunday I'm going live, and I'm going to be giving this beautiful bar right here a giveaway. Of course, you see it's not a full bar, but hey, it's a bar. It's shaped like a bar, and it does have some difficulties. This is the last pour I did, you guys see in the video, and this comes to you at 1.1 troy ounces. So make sure you guys are on that live stream on Sunday, this Sunday. All right, this Sunday, me and JT Cornering is going live, and we're gonna have an episode of Silver Talks. So guys, you definitely want to make sure you guys are tuned in to that on Sunday. Make sure you guys hit that notification icon, because I'm gonna be giving away this one right here. Now, bar number 36, I may be auctioning this one off. This is like the first bar of the relaunch of the Urban bar. Yeah, trust me, that's a bit hard to say. Like, I had to redo that over again. But anyways, yeah, I may be auctioning this one off. But as far as the prices, guys, I'm gonna let you guys know I put in a lot of work on this as far as toning and actually buying the stamp. And also, I dropped another 2 bands, which means 200. Or is it 2,000? No, I dropped 200, but I'm trying to say, what does band stand for? All right, I spent $200 on a press machine because I couldn't get the hammer right enough, so I had to buy and re-pour all over again. So as far as the prices, $25 an ounce will get you one of these babies right here, and it also covers the shipping, so you guys don't have to worry about the shipping if you're in the US. I already got some people who emailed me they wanted to reserve some, so guys, email me very quick to see if I have any of these available. But honestly, guys, I do want to sincerely say, hey, I really appreciate you. It's been a good, beautiful journey for the past almost 3 years now. And I just want to say thank you to each and every last one of you guys. I do what I do because the love I have for you guys. But guys, that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. I do want to sincerely say thank you so much for watching the relaunch of the new Urban bars. Guys, make sure you hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed already. Leave that thumbs up, comment your thoughts on these brand new Urban bars below, and have a beautiful day. And don't forget to always work and grind.